Yeah, last week ya na yehun say Alexis the Godson ene sunsuma hofe a granting interview bia na omo kasafa Alexis the Godson busa sunsuma hofe ma share the full length of the video no, so I know what me babeka obusa sunsuma hofe say sunsuma hofe Oshe omo prime the likes of Ejaku, Kwekumenu, Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin, and currently the sensational no Akabeneza no. Oshe ahwan pa na wabua ne nyonko na sunsuma hofe kire se Akabeneza, and it's obvious say ekase obi ebu obi to the limelight gidi ya obi eno negated that fact no. It's obvious obi ya aware. But some sunsuma hofe kan ya Ghanaians se omo ne nya adwen se o se Ejaku so no wanfo bia ma wantimi ankere se we nam de number Kwekumenu nso ba no Kwekumenu etumi aya de nimia filaman abama sisi a filaman kwa akodi USA na wo se to asubiem no wo che se Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin nso krade onfo bia mbae anna Alexis the Godson ebebusa ne se na se Kwame ahemfie ewo Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin ene de ne ba na oze de bi Kwame ahemfie no state no emphatically se Kwame ahemfie no enye Lilwin de ne ba no ne de Kwame ahemfie director Jones ana omu kokutwa scenes a o se o papa for me nwe mbuma for me nwe mbuma ansana Kwame ahemfie ba behunu Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin a o sha ase ene no anante ko social media ne so ayebutwo say atsembe na sunsuma ho faking say legendary Ejaku esi so no wanfo bi ama limelight, so people decided to share their own opinions as obia on the freedom of speech or the freedom to exert their own knowledge bibia wo bia de gu entintan fidie no so no mo chese. You shouldn't bring someone to the limelight through and san yehu say we do we yaba. Even yehwe Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin na minkume busia, it was through Ejaku and me yekohu Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin, because if it weren't Ejaku na ye feature no that movie na Ejaku na ye the main character of movie ni ma, nobody would have watched that movie in minkume busia. And minkume busia no and that time no Ejaku was at his peak, the level na obtwa movie the babontia, people troop in to buy the CDs, the DVDs and the cassettes no na mind boggling no money ade. So Ejaku, through Ejaku, and me de behu Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin. If you remember that movie na Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin abinfo DJ, and abinfo na wom no was Chewa and Messi Edu. I think that movie na Bella Samoa ensu wom. And ne Ejaku ke busia no hu say I think say Ejaku bibisa Ejaku enede, and through Ejaku no Ejaku ede omo nkofo bebre abefa ne so through Ejaku ama omo nso abeye den aba abegidin. So the kind of thing Ejaku beye ma Kumawood anase Ghana movie industry no anase the entertainment fraternity na ankasa no is huge. Nobody is disregarding and I said nobody is negating the fact about the Akabeneza the Kwekumenu but the kind of improvement and the kind of energy Ejaku dey share movie industry ni no overwhelming. Through Ejaku came in to revive the Kumawood movie, the entire Ghana movie industry. It was through Ejaku na itimi babe revive voye. One way the days nobody wanted to watch Ghanaian movie. People were trooping in buying Nigerian movies. Minim some mekaya Nigerian movies that time na Nigeria ebe mu a omo be sha ase da asikedu kanayo Olujo Corps Epitodochi, like a whole lot omo buy na no mo warm limelight pan, so people were craving to watch Nigerian movies, and Obia ya aware. It was through this man, this only person, Ejako, so we can substantiate in Sembia, ye can be if one man, abeye 1,000, that's what me survive a whole industry, the siho. And this after so survival industry, we came to see a ye Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin, like Emilia Brobe, Akrobeto, like a whole lot. Inti ye kase de enidie sena ne yemfe enidie mano. So sunsum wasem na okan no sabre biem. Enhwe the current in some ekosu sisie na mfa nje genwoma. Ko way back. It was through a Jaco na survival the movie industry and a ma wo sunsuma hofe ye babe hu. As at that time nobody knows you. Jaco na a clicking call for adwen a man call for a sad very direct omo and omo path for no money idea omo ebe through in watching the Kumawood movies and the movie industry in Ghana as a whole. It's a fact. So, dodo na ekase sunsuma hofe, come back again. When in summer sunsuma hofe, edituja.
Ajako entimi produce obia ma nka se ajako na ma suma suye ba na je suma suye ja so fa so lewe on fo obia ma e
oh ba no go for aba
why bo ji why why
ah na kwa me ahimfie
ahimfie o actor
mimi so
mimi nyanye star mimi o yesi nimu ni sa hwa ni mimi eni pasa ni mimi kan kure
okay
ti so doctor like o jecheku on na ma jecheku ne ho na nim chichiku
okay
on what the movie he pardon me call ye on next time can you pa be call 3940 company company buy industry no se on no madu bone ya ma just ye nyina ka oba ye nche kwa ye pamo no just on se da me na nampa me to the for but like so no mo na just say do bone no ma na akwala ye kama ne wo ye adwuma
okay
like the nipa wo just wa bo mama ye omonye die ne YouTube for ya ba ku ya wa sisi ya wa jump for interview your friends or gunshot ono against our no wa ye hustle ono na aje so but like the train you go adwuma nim patene ono wa da kam me na kam like ya de.
Don't forget I go by the name Blowman and I am your proud American blogger. Mr. Son subscribe to channel ya now subscribe ede amaye yede mbesia.